Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is a traveller's notebook size journal, and it's a little bit of everything. It's quite chunky. There's actually a lot going on inside there. A lot of it is removable, so you know, it doesn't have to be that chunky if you don't want it to be. So it measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2. There is one signature, 72 pages, front and back, and it will be listed in my shop. So I've done some layering. I've used this was actually a tag, and I just chopped the top off. This is a freebie from Artie Mays. The word memories, again, that's a freebie. Andrea has got like a full sheet of words that you can cut out, and some of them are got the oval shape to them, so you can do something like this with it. Butterfly with some bling here. This has been stitched. There's some Stampin' Up tabs on some of the pages. So let's go inside. There's eyelets and organza ribbon as a closure. The cardstock that I've used is this, and it's been sewn onto some white cardstock, so it's got a nice thick cover. I've used digital papers, and I can't remember who they're from at all, because I lost everything and trying to get things back. Nothing's named how it used to be named, or the way I had my old files stored, so sorry about that. So we have here, if you watched the video that I showed last night where I showed you all my pockets and tuck spots, I've used them in this journal. So we have some stamping. There is a cluster embellishment here, and we have some digital ephemera from Tsunami Rose. There is a large tag. I'm sorry if you can hear my fan. It's going on. It's actually really warm, and it's late at night, but it's still very muggy outside. This is from Tsunami Rose as well. There is a stamped and stenciled tag, and these little images are from Tsunami Rose, but I did shrink them down just to make these little booklets. And they've just got lined paper in them, so you can do some little notes inside that. There is a doily and some edge punching, some digital paper from the old design shop. Here we have a paper clip, and we have a vintage digital letter, and I've done it so it's got the raggedy edges, and that just paper clips on there. We have just a trifold journal piece here, and it's been punched on the corners. We have a postcard here from Tsunami Rose. There is lined paper and the Stampin' Up tab. Some plain paper, plain coffee dyed paper, and this again is digital paper. It looks kind of mixed media type paper. I wish I could remember where it came from. Here we have a pocket. I showed this yesterday. This was just using scraps, some lace, some hearts, and obviously I've used that. Large tag, some ephemera. Excuse me, another tag. Again, this is a little image from Tsunami Rose, and I just made that into a little booklet. This has just got some coffee dyed papers, and that just pops in there. Another doily, some edge punching, some digital paper, another tab, some more digital paper. Here we have a corner tuck with a large tag, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, another stamped tag, and another little booklet with the lined paper. Another doily, some edge punching, digital ephemera, another letter, and that's all got the raggedy edges. Just paper clipped on with another one of these. So There's lots of journaling room. Another postcard. Some squared paper. Centre of the signature. Some stamping. This is one of the pockets that I made. So I've obviously put a large tag in here. I've left it open at the side so you can tuck things behind there as well. So that goes in there. I love that butterfly. We have one of the bowl jars from Tsunami Rose, and this was this paper was just printed out. It wasn't in envelopes, but I just created the little pocket at the bottom and just put some trim on there. Some ephemera and a tag. Another one of these little booklets. Is that the same butterfly? I can't remember. Similar. A tab. Here we just have another vintage printable letter. These are from the old design shop, in case you're interested, so you can search that online. Another, yeah, the old design shop, they have, she has a blog where you can get all the freebies, and she's also got an Etsy store. Another pocket here with a large tag, some ephemera, another stamped and stenciled tag, another one of these little booklets. I think there's a booklet of some sort in each pocket. And again, that's from Tsunami Rose. Love this page too. But I love everything that I use, if that makes sense, otherwise I wouldn't use it. Another digital French letter, again the old design shop. And another one of these, love the markings on that. And that goes in there. And another postcard from Tsunami Rose. Some edge punching, a doily, and this was one of the little book page pockets that I made. So you can tuck things inside there. It's got a little bit of trim here, and it's decorated with a heart and a butterfly. And we have this large tag. We have some ephemera. We have a bowl jar. I'm not sure if, I think they might be hummingbirds. And a tag and another little booklet. So that is the journal. Again, the butterfly. I think that's the butterfly that was on the pockets that I made. So that's the journal. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.